Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right warming drawer side rail in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull out the warming drawer and remove the rack. Next, use pliers to bend the side rails outward to fully detach the drawer assembly. This may require some effort. Use a flathead screwdriver to help pry the side rail away from the frame. Then lift the rail up and move it inward to fully detach. Install the new side rail by inserting the rear tab in the slot and push the rail down to lock it into place. With both side rails pulled out, align the slots in the drawer assembly with the tabs on the side rails and snap the assembly into position. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.